Welcome to this video. I'd like to show you how you can use this Google Sheets document to make your car rider dismissal go a little more smoothly. So you don't have to announce things on the intercom. You don't have to have a teacher that's running back and forth outside and inside with a clipboard or a microphone or whatever the system is. With this Google Sheets, as long as you put this document in your team drive or bookmark it on your teachers' computers, all the teachers can watch this document at one time. One teacher would be outside with a device to enter in the car numbers if you have car tags as they pull up. When they enter the car tag, the document will look up the student's name using a fancy formula, and we will make those names appropriate, not student 14, to set up your document. The school that I set this up for had two lines, like a line of students on the sidewalk, a line of students on the grass, so you could do that. You could change the title or you could ignore that second line completely. But basically, this is a silent system. All that has to happen is one teacher types, the rest of the teachers watch in their classrooms, and the students know that they are dismissed or need to go line up. So that is how it would work. Let me show you how to set up your car rider dismissal. If you got this template, you'll notice there are three tabs down here on the bottom. The only tab that you need to use for setup is this bottom right student list tab. And all you need to do is type in your student numbers as they match the tags. Once you've done that and typed in your student names that match your car tags, you are ready to start using the document. And again, one teacher types, the other teachers watch. There's a middle tab here that just will show you some stats if you're trying to figure out if all your students are picked up, or you need to keep tabs on that. So for example, as you're typing, this page will update automatically, give you a list of who's been picked up, who hasn't. You can see their status there as well, and gives you some counts. So that just gives you some statistics. When you are done at the end of the day, you just need to clear these columns out to start again, and there is an option up here in the menu to clear that pickup list, so it will just take out those numbers and you're ready to go for the next day. Hope you enjoy the template, and I hope it makes your car rider dismissal a little more smooth.